Look at me. Where you are supposed to be sitting, you are not sitting here. Where is your husband?
He's around.
As I'm talking to you, some people look at you and they targeted your husband. They tie it to and go back. And they asked the Spirit of God, why they tie this man? He said, so that this man cannot locate her to bless the family. Because I see your husband like somebody that is up. Talk to me well.
Yes.
I'm seeing your husband like somebody that is up. But as I'm talking to you now, he cannot put hand in his pocket and say, my wife, this is 100,000, go and waste, go and use. Talk to me. Before he releases to you, you will cry and not change. But this is a man everywhere arrange. Yes. Talk to me now. People, hear me, it is not his fault. The same problem is your father's family. They are still the one that is remoting for him not to see your family and favor you people. Even you that is his wife. Your father's family, they don't want to use that to see good things around the people. And that is why they manipulate in the morning, they manipulate in the afternoon, they manipulate at night. It's your father's family in Abia State. You people are from Abia?
Yes.
It's your father's family. They are the ones still manipulating your husband. He has money. I've seen a man that God has blessed. But whether your family is existing, even you that is the wife inside the house, is it? Talk to me now. Yes. How many children do you have for him? 3. Where is your senior boy?
He's at home.
What's wrong with him?
Doctor said he had brain injury, so and that's what we've been working towards.
Doctor said he has brain injury.
Yes.
For how long?
It should be 6 years plus now.
What, they did not operate on him?
No.
No need. Okay. Bring that boy for me. You'll okay. Hear me. With this phone in my hands.
Yes, sir.
I don't know the people that is hiding in Abia State. That is manipulating you people in the city. If these people shut them, I blind their eyes. Look at me. Mark, today's date is what? You people will see. Every time you cry, when people see you, they are jealous of you, they are admiring you. But you are crying inside. Talk to me now. Yes. You are crying. You are crying. At times you look at your husband. He cannot willingly say, take. Even when you are asking, it's a problem to release. But after today, where is the God of Pastor C? Where is the God of the wonders? If I hear another man, my God will do your own for you. I want to see all of you. Eileen. Now 2 things she did. Now snake she did and a bed.
This one's wrong.
Hear me. Thank God say una never go do the things finish. She's a snake, she's a bed. In other words, this is water spirit, this is witchcraft only her. And she come with the heart juju join.
Combination.
She's in Nigeria. Tell her my name is Pastor Simeon. If my mama dey fly, she dey fly for morning, she dey fly for afternoon. And that is I hear temperature. Anybody wey dey fly for your family. Confess. You people should let her go. She has gone. Yeah. She not go. Let her go. In fact, if she try come again, Mona push her. Una never come out from the problem where they. Una won't carry another one.
Combination of problem.
Yeah. If you don't, if you go somewhere, you go tie your brother before we go lose that your brother. Yeah. Because your brother, he says, yes, he did. If you not tell her now, say leave her, you know one year. Are you hearing me? If you go do something, and if I don't pray, what he wanted to do to your brother, even if he and your brother day house, Meg will come meet her for us. He go tell your brother, say excuse us first.
Error. One chance.
Can I talk to you people?
Right now.
Because what God is showing me I'm going to do for you. Anybody around your family, around your father's side, your mother's side, your husband.
Kill is one to kill.
You people must be ready. That God, whoever that must die. See me later. Clap for Jesus. Everybody stand up to your feet.